Welcome to this review, folks, of the 3-pack of red archery power units for the Pocket Shot platform. These are meant primarily for arrows. Can you shoot round projectiles with them? I believe you probably can just fine. But these are really meant for the more traditional archer. These are going to be used with a finger grip on the arrow when you draw it back. And they're going to loosen up over time, so do get used to drawing them back. After about the 10th shot or so, they'll start to fall into where they're going to be for the rest of their life. But I've got mine set up here on a Pocket Shot on a hammer chassis, so you get that nice wrist rocket feel. But you can just as easily use this on a bog stock Pocket Shot. You just put the arrow guide on the front instead of the cover, and you're off to the races. You can absolutely use this platform that way. But anyway, these are the red arrow pouches designed for a specific purpose, and that is propelling arrows. Will they propel round projectiles? They probably will. So they're a great item to have in your kit that don't take up a lot of space because they really compact down quite small. Disappears. Thanks for watching, everybody. You have a great day.